Hello students, in the previous class we deal with what is a digit and what is a number. In today's class let us try to understand the types of numbers. 44 is an even number. Just see the ones place has a 4. Ones place has a 4, so it is a even number. Types of numbers. So what are the types of numbers? Natural number, whole number, integer, even number, odd number, rational number, and again some more are there. Today let us deal with these 6 types of numbers. So our first topic is natural number. What is a natural number? See, if we say anyone to count the number, they will start counting like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Isn't it? So when we ask anyone to count, they will start counting from 1. That is why these natural numbers also called as counting numbers. So natural numbers are denoted by n. It is n is equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. Natural numbers are nothing but counting numbers. Natural numbers starts with 1 and there is no end point of a natural number. Understood? If you want to draw natural number on number line, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So I hope you understood what is natural number. Natural number starts with 1. Natural numbers are nothing but counting numbers. Okay. Now let us deal with the next type of number, that is nothing but a whole number. What are whole numbers or what is whole numbers? Just to see the definition, all natural numbers together with 0, all natural numbers together with 0 is called whole number. Natural numbers plus 0, and the whole number is denoted by a letter W. You see here, whole number is denoted by a letter W. That is W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. And you can look at here, these are nothing but natural numbers only. Natural number starts with 1. Natural number with 0 is nothing but a whole number. Understood? If we add 0 to natural number, then we get the whole number. So if I want to draw these whole numbers in number line, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and etc. I hope you understood what are whole numbers. Natural numbers plus 0. Whole numbers starts with 0. Natural numbers starts with 1. Concept is clear? Okay. Now let us try to understand what are integers. What are integers? See, think this is a number line. Here it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Here this is 0 and this side is nothing but right side of number line, and this side is nothing but left side of number line, left side of a number line. 0 it is in the middle. So the numbers which are on the right side of this number line are called positive numbers. What we call positive numbers, means this is +1, +2, +3 and +4 and so on. And the numbers which are on the left side, they will called negative numbers. So here it will come -1, -2, -3 and so on. Remember what the definition says, all the natural numbers, all are natural numbers together with 0 and the negative numbers, means positive numbers, 0 and negative numbers. This is 3 sets of numbers: positive numbers, 0, negative number. All together we call as integers. Positive numbers, 0 and negative number, all together we call as integers. Means Z means you can see here negative numbers plus positive numbers, and integers are denoted by capital letter Z. Okay, first natural numbers. If we add 0 to natural numbers, we get whole numbers. So 0 it is in the middle. Right side of the 0 is called positive number, left side of the 0 is called negative number. Okay, right side of the 0 is called positive number, left side of the 0 is called negative number, and this positive, 0 and negative all together we call as integers, and integers are denoted by or represented by capital letter Z. I hope you understand. So next set of number is even number. What is an even number? First you understand the definition. The numbers which are divisible by 2 are called even numbers. Okay, the numbers which are, many definitions are there for even numbers, and this is the quite easy definition. The numbers which are divisible by 2 are called even numbers. But how to identify the even numbers? Very simple. You can see this definition, this is a sentence. Even number has 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in its ones place. For example, 99. 99 is the even number or what? You just see the ones place. Ones place has 9. Ones place law what should be? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Either 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If these digits is present in the ones place, then that numbers will be even numbers. But here it is a 9. So it is a not even number. You have to remember this point. 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. These numbers should present in the ones place. Then only such numbers are called even numbers. I hope you understood. Next let us see another type of number, that is nothing but odd number. What is odd number? See, odd numbers are just opposite to even numbers. You just see the definition here, you see. Just see the definition of odd number. You can see here definition, you see. The numbers which are not divisible by 2. For even numbers, what we studied, the numbers which are divisible by 2. For even numbers. Odd numbers, the numbers which are not divisible by 2 are called odd numbers. And how to identify these odd numbers? Odd number has 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 in its ones place. For example, you see 157. Is it an odd number or even number? Just see 7. If 7 is present in the ones place, it is an odd number. Understood the concept? Now 198. What is present? Ones place 8. So it is an even number. Now 165. You see the ones place. What is present? 5. So it is an odd number. So numbers which are not divisible by 2 are called odd numbers. But how to identify them? Very simple. Just check the ones place. If it has 0 or 2, 4, 6, 8, means any of these 5 digits, it is an even number. And if it has 1 or 3 or 5 or 7 or 9 in its ones place, you check the ones place. No need to see the total number. You have to check only the ones place. If it has 1 or 3 or 5 or 7 or 9, then it is an odd number. I hope you understood. Now next, another type of number, okay, which is quite difficult to understand, but let us try to understand it. Is what is an rational number? What is an rational number? What is a rational number? Numbers which can be written in the form of P by Q. P by Q. P by Q. Where Q is not equal to 0. Means a denominator should not be equal to 0. Here P means numerator, Q means denominator. Where Q is not equal to 0 and P and Q can be any integer are called rational number. And rational numbers are denoted by the letter Q, capital letter Q. Okay, capital letter Q. So how the concept of rational numbers has come? Let us try to understand. Think this is a number line, and let me explain with only natural numbers. See, this is 0. Here negative numbers are there, and here positive numbers are there. Okay, this is +1, +2, +3, +4 and so on, like that. Infinite number of integers will be there. And here these are all natural numbers. This total will become whole number, and this total will become a integers. Okay, then is there any numbers present between these two, any two natural numbers? Between any two natural numbers or between any two integer, sorry, not natural numbers, is there any numbers are present? Means is there any numbers present between +3 and +4, or is there any numbers present between +1 or +2? Yes, such numbers are called rational numbers. Rational numbers, in another way we can call them as fractional numbers. And here there is a condition. Here P is called numerator and Q is called denominator, and the condition is q should not be equal to 0, that is denominator should not be equal to 0. Numerator can be any integer, denominator can be any integer, but denominator should not be equal to 0. Such type of numbers are called rational numbers. Very clear explanation and some key points about these types of numbers we will deal with in another class. Hope you understood. Thank you.